to the Naughty Grapevine, a series dedicated to expanding your appreciation of wines and spirits. For those of you not familiar with the Naughty Grape, we are one of the largest retailers of internationally renowned wines and spirits on the island of Trinidad, carrying a huge collection of complimentary food and accessory items. We also offer our patrons an online shopping experience via naughtygrapett.com, where you can order online for delivery to your door or for pickup in store. This episode is all about Malbec wines as International Malbec Day is celebrated on 17th of April. The Malbec grape, which produces red wine, is today synonymous with Argentina, who took the grape from obscurity from its birthplace in southwest France, where it is called Cote. In the late 1800s, a plague ravaged the vineyards of France and basically killed most of the remaining Malbec vines. This ultimately left Argentina as a global custodian of the varietal. Today, it covers just under 100,000 acres of vineyards in the country, with the Mendoza producing 86% of all Malbec production. So what's in store for you? At the Naughty Grape, we carry two distinct Argentinian wine brands, Trevento and Terrazas de los Andes. Besides the Trevento Sweet Malbec, which most people are familiar with, we also carry the Tribute and Iolo Malbec, which feature the grape in its dry state. While Trevento Sweet Malbec and Tribute Malbec are affordable options, ranging between $120 to $135, Iolo is considered super premium as it's more in the mid-600s or just under 100 US. With less than 40 bottles available on the market at this time, it is certainly a great addition to any wine connoisseur's collection. Somewhere in the middle is Terrazas de los Andes in the mid-250 range. This particular wine brand is owned by famed champagne house Moet and Chandon, who made the investment in the Mendoza in the mid-1960s. Some 35 years later, Terrazas de los Andes was born and released their first vintage in 1996. Now that we've teased you, you're probably wondering what these wines pair well with. Trevento Sweet Malbec is divine with desserts, while the other varietals pair perfectly with spicy foods or even beef dishes. Try it with a blue cheese beef burger or even a lamb with mint sauce. We hope we've enticed you to check out this fantastic grape and look out for our next episode where we explore the seductive lure of Moscato wines.